Hello everyone, welcome to Code Clips. So in this video we will solve lead code problem number 1957, that is delete characters to make fancy string. So let's go to the problem statement. So last time I was solving this problem, we got multiple error like runtime error, TLE. So this time we will try to solve it with different method. So the problem statement says that a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. So given a string S, delete the minimum possible number of characters from S to make it fancy. Return a final string after the deletion. It can be shown that the answer will always be unique. So in this problem statement, we are having one input string, that is S, and we have to delete the minimum possible number of character from the input string, and we have to make it fancy. And according to this question, a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. So let's understand this part better with the given example. So with example number 1, that is we are having input string as lead code, that is having triple E. So in this case we will remove one E, we will remove this E, and we will return the remaining string. So now the in remaining string there is no three consecutive character that is equal. So coming to example number 2, here we are having three consecutive A, so we have to remove one A from here, and after B we are having four consecutive A, so we have to remove 2A from here. So removing 1A before B and removing 2A after B, the output string will be like this, so we have to return this. So yeah. So coming to the example number 3, that is input string is AAB. So in this case we are not having any three consecutive characters same, so we will just return output string as input string. So yeah. So how we can solve this problem? So what we will do is, we will create one output string, that will be of type string, and we will initialize it with null value, and we will initialize it with empty string. Now what we will do, we will compare the three characters of a string using some variable. So in this case, if any three consecutive characters become same, like what we will do, we will keep one iterator. So for I in range 1 to given string length minus 2, s dot length minus 2, what will keep on comparing s of I plus 1 and s of I with s of I plus 2. So if this case holds, like s of I is equal to s of I plus 1 and s of I is also equal to s of I plus 2. So in this case what is happening, all the three characters are same. So if this case happens, then we are not going to concatenate or append this to our string, our the to output string. But if it is not same, like this condition doesn't hold, this condition, then we will concatenate this input string character with the output string, and finally we will concatenate the last two characters and we will return the output string. So let's come to the coding part of this. Yeah. So what we will do, we will form one output string and we will keep it null or empty. So now what we'll do, we'll go through all the characters of string. Also, one thing we can do is, if string length is 2, then we can directly return it. Is lesser than or equal to 2, then we will return s. Now we'll go through all the characters of loop and we will check like we are having any 3 consecutive occurrence or not. So in this case, what we'll do, we are not going to append, just we'll continue the loop. Otherwise, we will append s of I to the output string. Output plus is equal to s of I. Okay, so now coming to the last part. This loop goes, we are iterating I to I minus 2, so that I plus 2 goes to the end, and to keep the last 2 characters of the input string in our output string, we have to append it individually out of loop. So at last what we will do, output plus is equal to s dot length s dot length minus 2 and so this will append last 2 characters of the input string, and now we can do is return output. So let's run this for the custom input. So errors expected, this at the end of declaration. So we have declared this, so it should be like this. Empty string declaration, how it is done. String output is equal to this on length GHT, it's in line 5. Yeah, so the custom input case passed. Now let's run it for all the cases. Yeah, so now this is accepted. So thank you for watching the video. Hope this helps.